How to upload reels on Instagram from PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to add reels or upload reels on Instagram from PC. So for that case, you have to first of all open up a browser. On the web address bar, typing instagram.com and log in into your Instagram account. When you're logged into your account, this is how it's gonna look like. So right on this page, you have to go ahead and click on create from a bottom left hand side corner of your screen. Now you need to go ahead and click on select from computer. Make sure that the reel is ready. When you locate the reel, go ahead and open it up or double press on it and then upload it. Right on this page you have this option. So here you can see this is the reel. You could go ahead and add multiple pictures as well. If you don't want to do it, so click the next button. On the other field, you could go ahead and select your cover type and all that and click the next button. Now you go ahead and add captions, add location and all that. Once you've done that, click on share and then the reels will be uploaded. So that's how you can upload reels on Instagram from PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.